Hello friends, this is Chiran Parmar and today I am going to discuss about the date time picker control and tooltip control. So first I am giving the just introduction about what is a date time picker and what is tooltip control. Date time picker control is a special type of control when in your .NET applications you want to take input a date format like a birth date, join date, anniversary date. So in a date value you have to take input from user. That time you can have a use a special control date time picker and tooltip control is a control which giving the brief intro about any specific control whenever mouse is over on that control. For example, you can see here, you can see the mouse pointer here. Now I'm just here is hovering, so it will be display start debugging F5. Okay, it's giving the information about that control. See, start debugging F5. Its control is known as a tooltip control. So how this both control you can use, see, in a .NET technology. So first we speedily adding one form. So add it's a Windows form, and here I am just providing a name. It's a date time picker underscore per tooltip. So tooltip demo. Okay. Now first I am adding a one date time picker control. You see here date time picker. Just drag and drop. Okay, and one label. So it will be just indication that what is the main purpose of that control. So where is this label? Yes, label. So I'm just pressing label here. So properties, and it's let's say birth date. Okay, so it will be display birth date. You can select birth date here from date time picker control. Okay, and I'm creating a two button, just one for one and second. So one for okay. So whenever I'm clicking on OK button, it will be display the value of date and time available in the birth date, and second button for close. So it's okay, and it's a btn. Okay, second is for btn close, and in a text properties you can write close. Okay, now see the important properties of this birth date. Basically this birth date will be displayed in a your system regional setting format. Whatever the regional setting in your system is available, based on that it will be display a date format. Here you can say it Saturday, month name, and day and year. But we very much convenient with DDMM format. First day, then month and year format. So if you want to set this, or you can change this format, so you just move on properties, and here you can provide DTP is a date time picker, and it's for birth date, so B date, and here you can find the custom format, this one. Okay, and one more is a format. Yes, format is now long, you can change it to short, so it will, you can see here it will be display is a MMDD format again. So time, if you want to display time only, so time will be display. You can say in custom. So now your custom format will be display, and I give advice you can set it to custom, and then you can do custom format, and you can space DD. Oh sorry, capital MM and 4 time 5. Okay, and press enter. Actually, here you are not getting any information because today is the same date and same number month. So 6 date and 6 month. So that was you are not getting any effect here. But it is a DDMMY format right now. Okay. Now you just code it. So close, it's a me dot close, and here in OK button. Okay, before that we also insert a tooltip control, our second control. So you can find here tooltip control from where is this tooltip? Okay, yes, tooltip control, and just press. Okay, you can see here tooltip control is against control which will not residing in a form. So sorry, yes, it is on startup status bar of this form, same as your timer control. Now this tooltip control, you can just right click on it. Okay, and properties, you can see here there are the different properties is available, back color, for colors. If you want to change its existing properties, you can easily change it. Okay, now I am setting this tooltip for OK button. So now just right click properties, and here you can find properties tooltip. Okay, tooltip on tooltip 1, this is control name is a tooltip 1. What do you want to display? So I'm just here right click to view birth date. Okay, and press enter. Same way here I am set for closing. So tooltip, click to close. So click to close the form. Okay, so I'm just setting is both the tooltip and for OK and close. Now OK button, I'm just display message in, so message box dot show, and our control is a DTB birth date dot text. Okay, now everything is ready. Now you can start and run these applications. Run. Oh, okay, sorry, it will be running a last form, so I'm just setting its startup path. So solution explorer, right click, properties, and here so DTB and run. Okay, now see here is our format 666. Now you can see here whenever I'm hovering the mouse over OK, so you can see here so click to view birth date, it's our tooltip text, you can remember it. And if I move on close, so click to close the button, so it's a display a tooltip information about this board the control. Okay, first let's say I'm just expanding it and move on to 17 date, so you can see it 17/6/2020. Okay, and let's say I'm just pressing OK, so it will be display message 17/6/2020. Got it? Okay, it's too easy. And okay, so it will display and closing again is display to tip, click to close the form and paste close, so form will be closed. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use date time picker controls and tooltip controls in a Windows Forms application, especially in VB.NET. It's too easy, everything you have to set through properties. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding these videos or any suggestions, any feedback, then you can also mention in below comment box. I hope you enjoying this video, so please like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the like button. You can also press the bell button, so whenever I'm uploading a new video you got a notifications from it. Okay, so once again, thank you so much and have a good day.